how to turn on or turn off vibration for new mail on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, go back to the main settings page. Then we scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. In here, scroll down and tap on New Mail, and then tap on Haptics. And here, to turn off vibrations, simply select None, and None is set by default. Now to turn on, simply select a vibration pattern. Okay, so select one of the vibration pattern, and that's it. So now we have turned on vibration for new mail. So it will not at the moment. New mail has been set to play no sound, but it will vibrate. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.